Today I'm going to show you how to fix Windows overshadowing taskbar. It's a common bug in Windows. Uh, Here, let me show you that. You see this thing? It's on full screen right now, but still, you can't fix it. How to fix this? You come here, Windows search bar. You type sysdm.cpl, and then you come to advanced, and there's performance settings. You click on this, and right here, show shadows under Windows. You turn this off, press apply, and here your problem is fixed. Have a good day. If this helped you, please leave a comment, leave a like. If this did not help you, please leave a comment. I will try to help you fix it. Thank you for watching.